Hello class 7, this is your ma'am again. We were doing printing, remember? Last time we have done 4 printing, that was thread rolling, thread pulling, stamping and thread rolling, stamping and onion print. Now even you can do potatoes. You have potatoes, so you can cut it in a different shape and do that. Lady's finger, all these were taught. You might have learned this in your junior classes, in say nursery, class 1 to thumb printing, hand printing, then foot printing. These were some small things which you have already learned before. We are going to make it more. We are trying to make it. Take it more in a higher level. So over here you have done those, and I would like to see in single sheet, in one single sheet, A4 size sheet or like this size, copy size page, I would like to see one single printing in single pages. Okay, so one printing in one page. So when you join the school, I will like to see all these things over there. In the class, when we meet, your work should be completed with you. If you have any problem, you can share with your class teacher. She will inform me and then I'll come back to you. I think I have given you my WhatsApp number also. If not, you'll get it from the class teachers. There's no problem at all. They'll always help you out. So let's continue with your work. So all those, I think 4 were given to you. 4 you will do it and you will complete it. That means 4 papers will be prepared by you. It can be chart paper, it can be plain paper, it can be any paper which you have right now in your home. Do not wait for anything from the market. Whatever you have in your home, use it. Next, I'll give you some ideas later on. Let me show you. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is a type of a block, right? We use this in sometimes Mehndi design, we use this sometimes. You get all these things, you get so many of these things in the market. And today I'm going to teach you how do we take prints with this also. Okay, and then go. Please go. This is not a chocolate. I'm taking my class. Please go. Okay. And then these things, this is what? Nothing. Thermocol. I had these 2. I just saw in my home and I just luckily got it. So I'll utilize this also and I'll tell you how. Now this can take place instead of potatoes or anything. Now suppose this is a fine hole over here, can be used as the center of a flower. So let me draw something on this. Let me make a flower on this. I'll show you guys. Just give me 2 minutes time. Simple flower. Now what are we doing? Basically, what is this thermocol piece getting ready for? We are trying to make a flower which we don't have to draw it again and again, but we can do it in one cut. We will make a flower and we can use it many times. How are we going to do it? I have taken a thermocol piece, right? Center clear. And then I have drawn a flower on this, a simple flower. I'm taking the cutter. Girls, when you use the cutter, I would like some elder to be near you. If you do not know how to handle this, please do not do it. Tell your parents to help you out. Tell your mama or any elder at home to help you out. Unless and until you don't know how to use it very safely, please do not use it. I am repeating it again and again. Because these cutters are very sharp. I don't want my girls to get hurt. Ask help from your parents. If they can help you out, they will definitely help you out. Okay, and so slowly I'll cut the portion. Even I need to be very yes. So what I am doing is I am trying to cut it so that I can something. Okay. Cutters are very sharp, girls. I am repeating again and again and again. Kindly do not use the cutter unless and until your parents or some elderly is there with you. Until unless you don't know how to use it very nicely, please do not. Okay? And if you are using it, see that your parents or any elder is sitting next to you when you are doing the work. They will guide you to how to do the work. You can cut any shape. You can even make birds out of this. You can make flowers, as I have done a very simple one. Then you can even make any cartoon, but that will take a lot of time. But still, if you want to try, and it won't be like easy to make in this small roll, but yes, for just a try, you can make a very simple thing, so that you know what is the type of stamping we can do with simple things present in our home, and this can be utilized again and again and over and over. I'm trying to give it a shape, because the shape of this will give or decide the outlook of your printing. Yeah, not very nice because I am doing it quickly also, but still a good flower has come up with a small hole. Now what is my next step? As I have already told you last day, that how do we use the brush. So simply we take fabric color. Okay, I have some fabric color left out, so I'm dipping this. Simple, we take fabric color, we use on this cutout. I did it in the wrong side. Sorry. Okay, I'll do it here because that side the cut is not good, and definitely the flower will not come up nicely. So okay, so here I am using the color to the side where I have cut it in a shape of flower. Do not use lot of color, because I have already told you, if you are going to use lot of color, it is going to waste your paint and it is going to waste your work. Okay, I'll just slow down the camera this side. Can you see? I've taken a flat paper. This is a flat sheet. I've used color to this, and then simply I'm going to press it. Oh. Okay, so these type of prints you will get maybe why you have not got like the joining here, because of the thermocol cut. Okay, over here can you see there is a little gap, so you have not got this joint, but a beautiful flower has come up. I will try it once again in front of you, so that we are not going to take very thick paint, we are not going to take watery paint, we are not going to take a lot of paint, because again it is going to, okay, I'm keeping it here, I'm trying to press it nicely with my hand, and then slowly, wow, beautiful flowers. Okay, so these type of things you can yes. Okay, so see, wow, lovely printout has come up. Yes, yes. So now you have, sorry, I have one more piece. Utilize these things in a beautiful manner so that good work can come up. You can make any design. You can just make a simple petal also, and then you can make one flower. Okay, you can make one page. So this way, cutouts, try to find out something in your home. Now this block, let us try this block also. It is a beautiful small flower. Let us try what is coming up. Okay, I just hold it. Excuse me. Go here and see. Oh, good. Okay, so these are called as blocks. These are, we don't prepare it at home, we get it ready made, basically in all the melas and all, right, fair and all. We go to just, they're sitting on the floor and using that mehendi workouts. So I have just taken one from them, I have purchased one from them, and I wanted to show you because this is a part of printing. So this I wanted to show you. So if you can get it from somewhere, it's okay. If not also, there is no problem. It was just to show because you should have this knowledge. This is, what is this? A part of printing, and we can do block printing with this. This can be done on cloth also with fabric colors. Very nicely, we have special block colors for this. We can do block printing with that also. So your work is done. I have shown you today 2 work, and now this is the last work of our project. So here your printing project comes to an end. I would like each and every girl to complete the work. We will be preparing how many sheet, girls? 2 like this. Now if you will ask me, ma'am, we cannot get this like block. If you do not have block in your home, no problem at all. Do not panic. You might have some, when you purchase Bournvita and all, the cap of that Bournvita, the plastic, it's written Bournvita or Complan, that is a little bit embossed part. ऊपर लिखा हुआ होता है ना, तो थोड़ा ऊपर होता है कैप से. और many other products are also. See if you can find something that in your home, just color that and try to make a print of that. It will look very nice. Don't worry, show me the print, just show me your work. And if something more is needed, we can repeat this thing in the school also. Do not worry, do not have any problem. Stay safe, girls, and stay happy. Once you rejoin the school, I would like to see all your work. Do not keep your things pending. Please keep on working. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye.